In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a timer in Canva. This built-in timer is perfect, whether you're practicing a presentation and want to stay on track, or timing focused work sessions like a Pomodoro. It's simple, unobtrusive, and keeps your workflow inside Canva so you don't have to juggle extra apps. Start by opening the Canva project you're working on. Look toward the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll see a small timer icon there. Click it, and the timer panel will open right away. This is your control center for setting and running the countdown. To choose how long you want the timer to run, use the plus button. Each click adds 1 minute. If you need a longer session, just tap the plus button repeatedly until you reach your target. For example, if you're aiming for a 10-minute run-through, click it 10 times. Keep an eye on the time as it increases so it matches your plan. Once you've set the duration, press the play button to begin. The timer will start counting down while you continue designing, presenting, or rehearsing. If you want to start fresh at any point, use the restart button. This instantly resets the countdown to the most recent time you set, which is handy when you finish a round and want to jump straight into another. It keeps your pacing consistent without having to set the time again manually. For an extra layer of focus or mood setting, hover your mouse over the timer to reveal a music icon. Click it, and you can choose background music that suits what you're doing. You'll find options like focus for deep concentration, dramatic for an energetic push, upbeat for a positive boost, or lo-fi for a calm, steady vibe. Pick the one that helps you stay engaged. You can also adjust the volume so the sound supports your work without overpowering it. Aim for a level where you can still think clearly and hear yourself if you're practicing out loud. As you work, let the timer guide your pace. For practice sessions, try speaking naturally and glance at the time to see how your sections flow. For productivity sprints, commit to the countdown and make the most of each minute. When it finishes, take a breath, then hit restart if you're ready for another round. That's all you need to use Canva's timer effectively. Open your project, set your minutes with the plus button, press play, restart when needed, and add optional music with volume control to match your focus.